Dropshipping with Printful allows you to sell custom design products without holding inventory. Here's how to get started. Set up a Printful account. Go to printful.com and sign up for a free account. Complete your profile and link your e-commerce platform. Choose your products. In the Printful dashboard, click Product Catalog and browse through a variety of products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Select the product you want to sell in your store. Customize your products. Use the mockup generator to upload your design, artwork, or logo. Adjust the design to fit the product and choose colors, sizes, and other variants. Set pricing and publish products. Printful shows you the base price of each product. Set your retail price to include your profit margin. Once done, click Publish to add the product to your online store. Promote your store. Use social media, SEO, and paid ads to promote your products. When a customer places an order, Printful will handle printing, packing, and shipping directly to them. Manage orders and profits. Printful takes care of fulfillment, and you keep the profit from the difference between the base cost and your retail price.